Very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Nikita. I am from Rail Analysis. First of all, we would like to welcome you at the 16th International Railway Equipment Exhibition being held here at Bharat Mandapam. So, can you please tell me your name and few words about your company?
My name is Sivakumar, and our company name is IINVSYS, which is the product development company, and we have Nivox, is our sales marketing partner company, and IINVSYS is like one of its kind company in India. We make in India product is our primary motto. When we say make in India, it is truly make in India, meaning we do design, we do hardware fabrication, and we do mechanical design, mechanical fabrication, and we span technology all the way from like sensors, radio communications, control systems, data communications, and variety of portfolio which can cater the Indian railways and beyond. So that's a very little brief about the company, and we are located in Puducherry, India, and Chennai and Bangalore, and these are the three prime places our the team is distributed. And main engineering happens in Puducherry. We are 150 plus people, primarily focusing on the technology development, and we have an extended wing in Bangalore for sales and marketing, around like 10 people. Catering these Indian railways for the last decade or so. The technology development is happening for the past 6 years. As you could see the products here, the first one is the UHF modem. It's one of its kind in India, that we are the only OEM we have been developing from the scratch, meeting the RDSO specification. And then the other products that you see here are for the track and for the coach systems. On the other side of the booth, we have sensor solutions that can go from the coach and monitoring the coach health down to the entire train and to the railway stations, giving a sensor data collection from the coach and then displaying in the coach, and then for the entire train in the engine room, and then the multiple trains for the station, and for the entire railways like southern railways, northern railways, to the to the executive level view, which can give you a complete visualization of where the coaches are present and what kind of sensor status is currently, any analysis or any predictive indication that we need to provide for maintenance and alerts, safety mechanisms and things like that. That's a little brief about the company.
All right. So, do your company supply their product to the overseas bases also?
We do, and our primary focus is to make in India and cater the like railways in India, but we go beyond as well. So we have product supplies that goes outside India as well.
Right. So as we are seeing that you have so many nice product on your booth. So can you please explain some of them so we can capture that?
Yeah, sure. The three products we would like to capture. One is the UHF modem that I would like Kavi to explain about that. So this is one of the unique product that we have. It's completely designed and manufactured and quality controlled in India. And this is the UHF modem. I will let Kavi to explain more about the product's features.
So here we see the UHF radio modem designed specifically for TCAS in Kavach system, train collision avoidance system. This is fully developed based on the RDSO standard, and this modem supports all the frequency ranges from 406 to 470 MHz, and it supports adjustable RF power 1 to 10 watt, and it has a very high sensitivity compared to the existing product in the market, and it has a rugged M12 connectors, and it will withstand all the vibrational requirements required for a stable communication in the railway Kavach system. And it has a rugged design which will withstand adverse temperature conditions right from -30 to +75 degrees Celsius, which is exactly meeting the RDSO requirements.
I also would like to showcase one of the product that Mr. Prakash will explain about this, how we bring the resiliency and redundancy for critical data communications in the railway system.
Yeah, this product has a serial to fiber converter with a redundancy, where we have a serial interface which is primarily used in the stationary coverage to the UHF radio modem, which is a tower end, and this stationary coverage control system. And we put these two units to extend the serial communication from stationary coverage to the UHF radio modem, and we integrate this modem with module with the interfaces like dual power supply and link redundancies, where we can able to monitor our system, can able to immediately display the status like the power supply is cut or a fiber cut. Our system can able to quickly detect and it can notify to the users, which will make us to maintain the system, even a quicker turnaround time. So this particular product currently we demonstrated with the 50 kilometer fiber optics cable. So it is not limited to this. We can also extend whatever the range we want with the fiber.
Thank you, Prakash.
Thank you.
And I would like to take you to the other side of the station where we have a very innovative product that is primarily tailored to develop for the Indian Railways of how we are going to give a complete monitoring. You can come that side if you could. While we walk through that, these are the product portfolios where we have displayed like how our products caters the total solutions in the railways. As you could see, we have a dashboard display that can provide lots of insights from the engine room down to the station. And then if you could see this side, these are the trackside products that what we have. That couple of them are already explained by Kavita and Prakash. The UHF modem and then the data link cable that will, the redundancy aspects of it, how the reliability aspects of it and those kind of stuff. And if you look at this side, the onboard solutions like what we have in terms of the rugged embedded PC, different kind of sensors that can be deployed and the sensors how they are being connected to the control system. We call this as NC Connect. So we have a solution that can go across from the coach to the engine room to the entire train and to the to the track side and to the station. And this is something that I would like to highlight quite a bit. So this is a universal sensor control system that we have again indigenously designed and manufactured in India, and it kind of meets all this vibration and then the thermal requirement required for the very rugged railway environment. So the beauty is this particular box that you see here can connect up to 48 sensors, and the sensors could be of any type. It could connect anywhere from 4 to 20 milliamps interface down to UART, USB, CAN, RS485, Ethernet, any interface you need. So what we do is like we provide the control system and then the software that any sensor automation team can connect the sensors of their choice. What this does is, if you could go to the dashboard here, and I let Mr. Bala to explain about this the dashboard that what we have. So imagine that this particular sensor is connected in the coach, and the coach has like various different sensors that can get connected into the control system, and the data in the control systems gets aggregated. First it's acquired, aggregated, and analytics being done. On top of that, these data can be given in a real-time display to the engine room and to the station master and to the Southern Railways, Northern Railways, and all the way down to the RDSO or the central team sitting in some part of Delhi to have a visualization of the entire country level. What are the different trains are onboarded, what are the different sensors connected of the coach, and what is the current status of the coach and things like that. So I'll give it to Bala and then I'll let him explain how hierarchically we build this data, wherein a complete visualization of the entire nation's railway can be seen through this kind of application.
What we are seeing here is a high-level executive view.
If you could go to that screen.
Yeah. So from here we can see overall nationwide parameters. If you want to see the Northern Railway zone, by clicking it we can see all the highlighted parameters here, and this is second level hierarchy, and this is a new Delhi division level hierarchy, and here also we are showing a lot of real-time alerts and feeds, and this is train level hierarchy, and here we are showing a lot of what is the GPS location of the train and some other important parameters, and this is a loco pilot view, and here he can monitor all the coach level parameter, and if any coach is having any anomaly detection, it will be highlighted in red color, and this is a coach level hierarchy. Here we can see all the sensor level details, and we can connect up to 48 sensors here. Currently we have connected with noise sensor, light sensor, and vibration sensor, and door sensor. And these hierarchies are highly configurable. We can configure for any industries or for any domains.
Thank you, Bala. Just to re-emphasize, you could see the innovations in this product. Like Bala said, this is a train, and inside the train you are weaving the coach now. Like inside a single coach, what are the different sensors being connected? We have some sample sensors to live real-time display. If you look at, this is the door sensor. When the door sensor is getting like open, you see that that changes to open. Likewise with the vibration sensor, if you can just tap into it, the vibration monitor will change the value of the vibration parameters. Like this sensors for the noise. So we put some sample sensors here. But the important thing to look at is you can look at from one coach. If you can go one view prior to that, so you can look at the entire train. This is another view, and each train, what are the number of coaches that are being connected, and for each coach you have a view like that. And for this is one train view, and if you go one level upper, this is at the station level. For each station, what are the different trains that are going to pass through, and for example north zone, south zone, like that zone wise you can view. And if you can go to the executive view of it, you can give at each like a zone level view. If you go one level back, look at the top, you can choose which part of the railways that you wanted to look at, which train you want to look at, inside the train which coach you want to look at. So that kind of a very granular data is being captured. And this also have the ability to store the data, and the data stored is taken for analytics to give predictive maintenance and lot of insights. Beyond that, it also has the LTE and GPS and Wi-Fi connected. So these data can be pushed into the cloud in real time or to any on-premise server real time. So thereby all the executives sitting in their office can view the real-time feed of this information across the nationwide railway setup that we have in India today. So this we call this as one of the like niche product that we have. If you can come on this side, and these are all like smart devices we call. As you could see, like several thousands of crores being spent by Indian Railways in electricity, and these innovative products that we are already deploying in various sectors like home automation, industrial automation, and in banks. Like for example, one of the nationalized government bank we have deployed, and we have proven the electricity saving concepts. What this does is, imagine in a railway station you have a ticket booking office, and we have an hospital, and we have a canteen room, and all these places there are a lot of ACs, lot of electrical equipments are being connected. But then there is no control over it, like when to turn on the AC, when to turn on the light. This all the time it is being on. What our product does is, this is retrofit. You can simply plug in these devices in front of any AC, and then it gives a dashboard view to the train master with a camera view what they already have. We've integrated that camera view with this kind of sensor system, which means in a particular booking room, let's say if nobody is there, the station master or somebody sitting in the station room can turn off the AC. And same goes to every platform. At platform level, at the ticket booking level, at the canteen level, depending on the user presence, they can turn off the light, they can turn off the AC, and they can turn on the AC sitting in one location. And you can imagine, like if they go through this kind of a process of saving electricity at one station across different stations, and the same thing can be applied for different coach as well. We believe that if this solution is taken to the Indian Railways can significantly save several thousands of crores of electricity expenses on an annual basis. So this is already a commercially available product in the industries for home automation and industrial automation, and we are strongly recommending this to be taken for the Indian Railways as well. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to talk about our products, and we are one of the proud entrepreneurs, we would say, like myself, Hemant, Prakash, Bala, all the team that you see here, because when we say we make in India, we truly mean that. We do not buy things from outside and package in a box and then tell it's made in India. Anything that you have seen here, starting from the software, be it a UX UI design like dashboards, and be it a enclosure, mechanical enclosure, it's designed, manufactured within India, in Puducherry, in and around. Any hardware that you see inside, it's again completely designed, and we have our own electronics manufacturing units which we manufacture. We go through a complete QC, which means you have the access to the team. If there is a product level problem comes in, they will step in and then solve. So when we say truly make in India, we really mean that from the IINVSYS and the Nivox perspective. Thank you.
It's a great time to having you here with us. So you have been participating with Rail Analysis. Would you like to share your experience with us?
Yeah, Rail Analysis is a very good platform where we can take all our products to the world, and Ashok being my friend, very close friend, and he has been with me for almost 10 years in the journey we've been going through for this, and he has helped me to showcase my products to most of the rail customers. So that's the most important point of Rail Analysis, and the reach of Rail Analysis is too good. So they take all our products to most of the rail customers. So I really appreciate Rail Analysis doing this an impeccable job here for us. Thanks.
Thank you so much for your valuable time, sir, and all the best for the event, and as well happy Dhanteras and happy Diwali.